What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about SPI Energy and its new EV subsidiary company. So I will go over who is SPI Energy and what they do. Then I'll briefly go over their new venture in the EV industry. I'll quickly go over their financial and their technical analysis. And last but not least, my thoughts on SPI Energy. So let's jump right into it. So who is SPI Energy? SPI Energy is a Hong Kong company that's focused in the energy industry. It produces photovoltaic systems for residential and commercial businesses, as well as solar projects that sells electricity back to the grid to solar companies. They also provide a range of engineering and procurement construction services to third-party project developers. So today, SPI Energy announced that it will launch Edison Future, which will design and develop its own EVs and EV charging solutions, which causes stocks to spike almost 1,200% in one single day. Edison Future is based at Silicon Valley and Santa Clara, California, and complements the company's current suite of PV solutions, including solar and battery storage technologies. Edison Future will focus on the design and development of the new EV technology and plans to partner with major manufacturers. So the CEO commented today, "This is an important milestone for SPI Energy, as Tesla has demonstrated an end-to-end business model in the renewable energy space can generate significant value with the addition of EV and EV charging segments to our diverse solar business. We are positioning SPI Energy for the future of renewable energy." The key takeaway with this statement is that they're ready to partner with major manufacturers to enhance their charging capabilities. But guys, here's the kicker. SPI Energy receives Nasdaq Deficiency letter where Nasdaq notifies SPI Energy that the company's closing bid price for 30 business days is not meeting the requirements for a minimum bid of $1 per share. The company has until December 28, 2020 to regain compliance. So is this a pump and dump move by SPI Energy just to get their stock above the $1 threshold so they don't get kicked out of Nasdaq? So I'll let you guys figure that out, but we'll quickly go over the financial and the technical analysis. So based on their balance sheet on year over year, they have decreased their current assets from 154 to 131.73, and now in the 2019 they're at 56. And the current liabilities have reduced as well in the process, but they're still not able to have a positive liquid ratio. They're still under the -1 that we look for. By close of trading Wednesday, SPI stock gained 1,237% to $14 a share and triggered at least 7 volatility trading halts over 4 hours. Trading volume Wednesday topped 340 million shares, more than 700 times its usual activity. The company has about 14.8 million shares outstanding, along with float of about 7.4 million. So guys, let's check out the chart real quick on what happened today. So pre-market, the shares were trading at around $3.76, and it bumped as soon as the market opened, and it just kept going above and went all the way to $44 per share, and it halted multiple times throughout the process. Later on through the day, it started grabbing down and went all the way down to about $12.33, where it closed at around $14. So the stock did see a pretty big bump based on this new news of the EV ventures, and then it dropped all the way down to 12. It is currently picking up a little bit of momentum and going a little higher during aftermarket hours. So what are my thoughts on SPI Energy? I think this is just a pump and dump play for SPI to increase their value. I personally think that the SEC should do an investigation on this company for racketeering due to systematical financial crimes. That's just my opinion. I honestly don't feel like SPI Energy has enough documentation or proof to back up that they are actually starting an EV company. No rent leases, no prototypes, none of that information was provided by the CEO. I personally am not getting to SPI, and you should definitely do your due diligence before you do get into SPI Energy. Well guys, that's it for today. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Please like and subscribe. I post daily stock market news and analysis, And if you like this video, you'll love the custom playlist I've made for you that has the most popular videos of company analysis. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.